Hello there, welcome to Nana's channel again. This is the continuation of the first video, so this is part 2. Now some of you might also would love to go into bridal. That's a lucrative business to be in. Okay, there let's see which side will be better. There we go. Okay, and the bridal sewing also has its own different department that I'll show you too. Okay, so this is another book there. Now you can also double in repairing and bridal wear. Okay, and you can even go into accessories for wedding, fascinators. Okay, you can even also go into the veil, the headpieces. Okay, there. Yes, another one too. The reason why I'm walking you through all this is sometimes when we're sewing the same thing over and over, you feel like, oh, I've seen it before and I've done it, so what else is new? So that's why I'm walking you through all these different areas, so you can try it on your own and see. It might help, who knows, eh? Okay, now where I am. This one for children, heirloom for children. It's beautiful. And there, but heirloom is very expensive. Okay, and then smocking. Heirloom and smocking go hand in hand, but this is expensive. So unless you have made up your mind to go into children's as a business, then I recommend this. That will help you a lot too. It's a lot of a handwork. And then you need this particular machine. You need a smocking machine to go into this. I believe you've seen me display it on my pins. That's for smocking. And as I said, this is a very expensive hobby. So if you want to get into this, I think it will be better for a business-wise instead of just a hobby, because it's very expensive. Unless you want to sew it for your grandchildren, that would be great. Okay, so hold on. I'll be right back. And I think I'll show you one more before I end this. Now, which one can I show you? Now I'm entering into a bit of pattern making. Okay, this one too. And if you are thinking of branching into pattern making, or you want to make a career out of it, you can learn on the YouTube, but I'll recommend that go back to school for it, because there's more to it than what you see on YouTube. So if pattern making is something that you are interested in, sure, you can still watch it on the YouTube, but I will recommend for you to go to school. There's a lot that you can learn. And the YouTube, we have a time limit, so there's a lot that we can't show you all the time. we'll do our best to show you as much as possible, but we have a time limit. So as I said, there's a couple of books that I'll show you next week also for pattern making, and if you want to get into the fashion industry, okay, fashion designing industry. Okay, so this will be the last book that I show you, and then next week, God willing, I'll show you other books. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Happy sewing, and thank you for watching. See you next week. Bye bye. Thank you.